In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use and install the calendar in monday.com in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a new user or someone wanting to optimize their monday.com experience, adding a calendar is a great way to keep your projects on track and organize your tasks more efficiently. So let's get started. First, we'll need to log in to monday.com. Head over to the monday.com website and click on the login button. Choose your preferred method of logging in. For today's tutorial, we'll be using Google. Simply click on Google and select your account to access your monday.com dashboard. Once you've successfully logged in, locate the marketplace. It's positioned at the top right corner of your screen, just beside the gear icon. This is where we will find the calendar app. In the marketplace, use the search bar to type calendar. From the results, look for Google Calendar embedded and click on it. This app will enable us to integrate our Google Calendar directly into a monday.com board. Continue by clicking on Install App. You might be prompted to confirm your installation yet again, so press Install to proceed. Now select the workspace that you wish to connect this calendar to. Choose the board where you'll embed the calendar and click on Add App. This action will make the Google Calendar Embedded View option appear at the top of your board in monday.com. With the app now a part of your board, the next step involves heading to your Google Calendar website. Click on the gear icon in the top right corner and proceed to Settings. On the left panel, choose the calendar you want to integrate with monday.com. It's here that we'll modify some access permissions. Go to the Access Permissions for Events tab. Make sure you check the box labeled Make Available for Public. Once done, click OK to confirm. Now switch back to the Integrate Calendar tab and find the public URL to this calendar. Copy this URL. It will serve as the link between your Google Calendar and monday.com. Go back to your monday.com board and navigate to the Google Calendar embed view at the top. Click on the gear icon on the right to configure the settings. Paste the public URL you've just copied into the appropriate field. There's a section to fill in additional details. Take a moment to complete these as they customize how your calendar view will look. And just like that, your calendar view from your Google account is now seamlessly integrated into your monday.com board. By following these steps, you've effectively linked your Google Calendar with monday.com, ensuring that your project timelines and personal schedules are effortlessly in sync. Remember, this integration keeps your team informed and your tasks organized, providing a comprehensive oversight of your timelines. Thank you for watching, and I hope this enhances your productivity with monday.com.